Warren Buffett, the legend and king of investing. He is not rich when he was young, but he's good at maths and business. He started his first investment when he was 11. He said, "I made my first investment when I was 11. Until I was wasting my life. I followed a page named Warren Buffett Official, or Warren Buffett quote, something else in Instagram. That page changed my life." Today, I'm going to share best Warren Buffett advice for inspiring investors. Actually, nobody told you this. Warren Buffett quotes changed my life. I have a huge respect in him. So, without wasting any time, let's move on. So, before we going to see, subscribe the channel and comment below I'm subscribed. I try to give my best reply. I think Warren Buffett is only investor. I don't know about him. I think he is owner of Coca-Cola. By seeing his pictures in Instagram that he is enjoying drinking Coca-Cola. Actually, he is not enjoying. Actually, you can generate multi-million dollar from Instagram without working. Today, I'm going to share best Warren Buffett advice for inspiring investors. Actually, nobody told you this. Warren Buffett quotes changed my life. I have a huge respect in him. So, without wasting any time, let's move on. Then I come to know he is not only investor, he is influencer. Watch this video fully without skipping. This video not like other videos. So, Warren Buffett rule number 1 is, also be an influencer. Target the right audience. Targeting can make or break a business. Build a story and be authentic. Be consistent. I asked many average people. Everybody said investing is too risky. Most of them lose their money. They see only its negative side. When asked this same question to millionaire, they told me never invest with emotion. Actually, financially educated is 100 times more worth than formal education. Formal education built for workers. So, don't let your profit to come to your head. And don't let your losses to come to your heart. Warren Buffett said to invest in these type of companies. If you're going to invest, never believe blindly others' opinion. He said, invest in a company where even fool can also run the company successfully. Jeff Bezos said, make investment based on technology that changed people's life. When the world's richest man Jeff Bezos, CEO and founder of Amazon, he asked him, Warren, your investing strategies are easy, but why nobody follows it? He replied, nobody want to get rich slow. Warren Buffett said, only buy something that you would be perfectly happy to hold if the market shut down for 10 years. Invest in what you know, and nothing more. Never invest in a business you cannot understand. This doesn't mean we can't invest capital in these areas of the market, but we should approach with caution. In my view, the far majority of companies operate businesses that are too difficult for me to comfortably understand. Never compromise on business quality. While saying no to complicated businesses and industries is fairly straightforward, identifying high-quality businesses is much more challenging. Warren Buffett's investment philosophy has evolved over the last 50 years to focus almost exclusively on buying high-quality companies with promising long-term opportunities for continued growth. When you buy a stock, plan to hold it forever. Once a high-quality business has been purchased at a reasonable price, how long should it be held? If you aren't thinking about owning a stock for 10 years, don't even think about owning it for 10 minutes. The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. Investing isn't rocket science, but there is no easy button. Perhaps one of the greatest misconceptions about investing is that only sophisticated people can successfully pick stocks. However, raw intelligence is arguably one of the least predictive factors of investment success. You don't need to be a rocket scientist. Investing is not a game where the guy with the 160 IQ beats the guy with the 130 IQ. Warren Buffett. It doesn't take a genius to follow after Warren Buffett's investment philosophy, but it is remarkably difficult for anyone to consistently beat the market and sidestep behavioral mistakes. Price is what you paid. Value is what you get. Stock prices will swing with investor emotions, but that doesn't mean a company's future stream of cash flow has changed. While there is always some debate surrounding a company's future earnings stream, the margin of disagreement is usually far lower than the stock's price volatility. Investors need to distinguish between price and value, concentrating their efforts on high-quality companies trading at the most reasonable prices today. The best moves are usually boring. Investing in the stock market is not a path to get rich quickly. If anything, I believe the stock market is best meant to moderately grow our existing capital over long periods of time. Only listen to those you know and you trust. Throughout his shareholder letters and occasional interviews, Warren Buffett emphasizes the importance of only investing in trustworthy, competent management teams. Simply put, Warren Buffett is very careful when it comes to selecting his business partners and managers. Their actions can make or break an investment for many years to come. Once management shows itself insensitive to the interests of owners, shareholders will suffer a long time from the price-value ratio afforded their stock relative to other stocks, no matter what assurances management gives that the value-diluting action taken was a one-of-a-kind event. Warren Buffett is obviously far more connected than any of us, which certainly helps him learn who the best and most trustworthy management teams are in a particular industry. We've long felt that the only value of stock forecasters is to make fortune tellers look good. To invest like Warren Buffett, you need to make a list of criteria to buy a stock. For example, you could look for stocks within a certain industry and with a specific price-to-earnings ratio or 6-month moving average. Invest in industries and companies familiar to you. Stay in cash if necessary. Follow the companies. Sell at the right time. If you start earning more but spending more, you will right back in the same position as before. I love this quote from Warren: "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." It's often said that the average millionaire has 7 streams of income. If you are financially educated, you can become billionaire easily. If you enjoy the video, give the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Meet you in upcoming videos. Do subscribe.